Both the BCCI and its chief in exile, that is N Srinivasan, find themselves on a sticky wicket now, with the Supreme Court asking the board to prove whether the amendments made to Rule 6.24 are legitimate. Now remember that it will be crucial for Srinivasan camp to satisfy the court on the matter, as a lot then is at stake.
The news is tightening around BCCI's chief in exile. The Supreme Court making a scathing attack against the cricket board, asking it to explain to the court amendments made to its rules, also saying that its rules cannot limit the court's jurisdiction. The apex court saying that it will strike down the contentious Rule 6.2.4 if the board fails to satisfy that amendments made to the rule are legitimate.
With the contentious conflict of interest clause coming under scrutiny, pressure mounts on BCCI president in exile. While the cornered board might have convinced the Mumbai High Court, they now face a stiff challenge to convince the apex court on the validity of the amendment that allowed Srinivasan to own an IPL franchise despite holding a BCCI position.
Before Rule 6.2.4 was amended, it clearly mentioned that no board member could have commercial interests in any BCCI property while holding a BCCI position. But the rule was twisted to allow Srinivasan to own an IPL franchise.
इंडिया सीमेंट को एंट्री दिलाने के लिए बहुत ही पिछले दरवाजे से 6.2.4 को अमेंड किया गया था, क्योंकि हम लोगों ने कोर्ट के सामने ये कोर्ट इस बात को अच्छी तरीक़ा से समझ गया है.
If the apex court does decide to strike down the amendment, the consequences could be massive.
The Supreme Court again reminding BCCI that if not satisfied, it could very well strike down Rule 6.2.4, which is the crux of this issue. Going forward, tomorrow the court is likely to hear further arguments before going on to reserve its orders. After marathon hearing in this particular issue, the order which will come out from the Supreme Court will be worthwhile to watch. In New Delhi, Meenakshi Bhanja for Times Now.